Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making lightning exfoliating coffee and sugar scrub. To get that glowing skin, we need to exfoliate our skin at least 2-3 times a week to clear all those dead skin cells. This scrub helps brighten up your skin, so let's get started with the mixture. The ingredients I'll be using for this procedure are emulsifying wax, beeswax, ground coffee, brown sugar. In this cup, I have my orange peel powder, turmeric powder, and licorice powder, sunflower oil, shea butter, glycolic acid, castor soap, aloe vera gel, pure honey, preservative, and then my container for storage. I start by pouring in my wax, beeswax, sunflower oil, and my shea butter. These are called the oil phase. Then I will melt it on the double boiler. So I come back to measure my castor soap. I'll be needing 75 ml of this. This is my water phase. Then I'll warm it. My oils are all melted. At the moment, the temperature of this is very hot. I need it to cool down before mixing. Checking the temperature is cooling down. Now it's time to mix it. I get my castor soap, pour it in, and mix. Then mix it together with the mixer. Now I will pour in my orange peel, turmeric, and licorice powder, and then mix well. And now my honey, aloe vera gel, my glycolic acid, and my coffee, and mix. Then pour in my preservative, and then lastly my brown sugar, and mix very well. I will leave the measurement in the description below. Now I will get my container, pour in my scrub. This scrub will help to brighten up your skin. It's always good to exfoliate your skin, guys. Exfoliation can leave your skin looking brighter and improve the effectiveness of your cream you rub. Some people complain my cream doesn't work. It's because you don't exfoliate your skin to remove the dead skin cells. So please guys, exfoliate using the scrub. As you can see, I am using the scrub on my hand as an illustration. You can see how my hands looks and feel after this. So guys, that is it for me on this video. Please guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Leave any comments down below if this really helps you. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.